Hi, I'm Christy, and this is a short introduction on how UCode works. Regardless of what you believe about robots and AI replacing workers, the jobs of the future will require different skills. UCode's mission is to teach these skills to our children. And we've been doing this since 2014. We're nationally recognized for the quality of our curriculum and instruction. Experience counts, and we've taught thousands of students to code. So how does it work? First, you sign up for a trial class on UCode.com. You'll receive an email and SMS with login details. Second, have your student attend the class. After the class, the instructor will confirm for you by email that this is the right course or make a recommendation to you. Third, your trial class is free, but after that, you use points to attend the class. Points are good for a year and are transferable. They can be used for any UCode program like camps or holiday workshops. Fourth, with points, you never miss a class, never have to pause a membership, and can take as many classes as is right for your student. Take as many or as few classes a month as you desire. Fifth, no contract, no monthly membership hitting your credit card. Hundreds of classes a month. We're making this simple and affordable. We're glad you found us. Welcome to UCode, where kids really do learn how to code.